All right, today I'm going to demonstrate this new product right here. Basically, this is a spacer. It's designed for the Dixie Narco BevMax 4, which just has a single pusher, retracts both. So this is for a newer model machine. This does not work in the older model machines that like the 5500 series that you put the spacers in. The point of this product is basically to make this gate a little bit narrow. Here I've already installed one, and so this is going to be used, like this is a Pepsi product, and this is a slim 12-ounce can. These will kind of push in here, it takes up space. We sell a lot of these for people that want to sell Red Bull. Installation is very simple. Basically, what you have to do is you're going to remove this existing plastic here with this tall pusher gate. And so I'm going to take this and pop this out of the place, and this part is actually reinstalled. And now I'm going to kind of take my new spacer, and when I put it in, I like to kind of push and hold this. Fun. So we're going to cut here. That should have happened. All right. All right. So when I install this, kind of what I do, I can use these marks here. And so when you start putting this in, you'll visually see the pieces of metal on the tray going across, so that the pieces are going to rest here, which holds it in place. So here I'm kind of coming up and over. And then it'll kind of just drop down exactly in place. So it just kind of is self-fitting, and it falls into place. Very nicely designed part. Then after you've installed that, you're going to want to replace this. So this piece will kind of go in, and then you want to be careful that the two little fingers here, you want to be careful that these slide and click in correctly. If you had the little plastic, what I call the little plastic spacer, you want to make sure that's pushed in or it didn't fall out originally. So this is going to click in properly. Then I push down, and it's secured in place. And kind of the big thing is that with the Dixie Narco, how they addressed this was when this was completely full with slim cans, sometimes it would deliver two. So once you install this little this product here, it on both sides of this tray, it makes it slim, so you can vend the very narrow 12-ounce cans or your 8.2-ounce Red Bull, or possible future products that are more narrow than a typical can or bottle.